Into the back seat, doors open up. Amazing interior. We got some sightsee lighting here. We are with Ganesha.
Hello.
Yep, he'll be taking us for a ride in this. So if you notice the other video where I shot the doors, right, if you were to pull it a little bit, it closes, but in this case, nope, so I can do it myself. This is not a 4-seater configuration, this is the 5-seater configuration, so I can move left and right without any partition in the center. Yeah, so let's head out to the open air. Yep, the aircon, and then we can see how this car looks like under the light, the actual light. So this car does not have any intelligent glass roof, so it's a fully Alcantara suede top, just like this, so that's why it's super dark on the top here. But let's head on underneath the light and maybe you can see how this place looks like. Yeah, cool. Okay, so we have passed the car park, heading down to the sunlight, which is actually evening right now, so it's sunset about to happen. So check out the orange with the light when it hits it. Oh, super nice. Very nice interior. Check out the back, sitting right here. We've got some Alcantara suede finish over there. This black seat belts. This one right here. And yeah, check this out, sitting right in the center. The other 4-seater executive seat will not be able to, but yeah, let's check it out. Super nice. No intelligent glass roof, that's why I got this suede top finish right here. Amazing look. We got some black seats here and there. Very cool. At the back part, mixture of some different kind of material here, including with here as well, so it's a bit different, but you got to be here to actually experience this in person. Very nice. The steering wheel of what Ganesha is actually driving with right now is super awesome. Check out the two-tone finish, you know. It's very nice. You got some black finishes on the outside because, you know, that's where we're going to grip mostly. And then you have the orange on the interior, the inner part of the steering wheel. So it's very unique and awesome. Okay, so Apple CarPlay, if you want to set it, then maybe you can just press Apple CarPlay since it's already connected to Ganesha's phone. So you check it out. Navigation, everything is all super full.
Right.
Yep, right here. So we are at the drop-off area for Pavilion, Damansara Heights. Yep, just right here we do. And let's take a walk around on the exterior part of the car. Let's check this car out. Okay, so got down from the car, and just to show you guys how the car exterior appearance looks like, this is a beautiful piece of art. Comes with some silver wheels down here with some black calipers, some drill disc brakes. It also has a side mirror compared to having a side camera. You got some black finishes all over down here, from the side all the way up to the front. A gloss black roof, no intelligent glass roof. Super fun, super fine. And then there is no spoiler like the yellow Emeya R. It has that, you know. So in this case, it's basically just having the wing, not the spoiler that's located here. So cool. Chrome badging all over the place right here. You can have it in full black if you wish to. Now let's take a look at this car in sunlight to get a better more. Okay, so I'm sitting in the front passenger seat. Check out the orange screen is right here. We got Ganesha right there. We got the ambient lighting, which is in yellow. Now you can change the ambient lighting to whichever color you prefer. But yeah, you got some carbon fiber finishing in the center here. Very nice. Even at the doors, super unique. On the top right here also, check it out. Very nice. So we are going to be going all the way to the up here. Has better light to shoot. Check out the back seats. Very nice. More space to roll around. Legroom is plenty for a 603 horsepower car. This is a Emeya S. In the future they may have a launch naming it differently for Malaysia, but yeah. So yeah, we're gonna try and do one small short walk around for the exterior and the interior because it has better light here, so we can show you the interior finishing. Okay, so we are outdoor. I believe now you can really admire how the car actually looks like. This is the black, Stella Black they call it. Let me just talk a little bit about the spec of this car. So badging will be yellow. You got some black finishes all over the side of the car here, where if you notice my other video, the Emeya R, the top spec, has its carbon fiber finishes here and there all over the car. Now you also get some carbon fiber here if you wish to do it, but in this case it's a fully gloss black finish panel. So it's Stella Black metallic paint, got a gloss black hood. Your side caps are not in carbon fiber, it's going to be in gloss black also as well. It's a mirror, not a camera, so another option that you can go for as well. But in today's video will be about this exact spec that we have right here. So the wheels are fully silver, yellow badging, 6-pot caliper, yellow wording for the badging right here, very nice, on the caliper as well. Drill disc brakes, so there are drills on the disc, very fine looking as well. And the lights, now I'll turn them on later to show it to you guys, but in the meantime, let's take a look at the side. You got some cameras right here, you got some cameras right here, including with here. And from the side profile, the mirrors look really unique and nice as well. Some slim looking handle right here for the mirror. Before we head into the car, let's take the back look. The top also as well. Gloss black roof on the top, so it's not really having any intelligent glass roof, but you can option to go for it also as well if you wish to. So it has those lines on the top. If you notice, right, there's these two lines. So if it's an intelligent glass roof, it's going to be a solid top, not going to have any partition with lining and whatnot. So the back part here, chrome wording for the Lotus badging. Got some LiDAR sensor right here. This has a wing on top of it. It's not really having a spoiler, but you can choose to actually have a spoiler on top if you want to. But that is with the spec that you can spec up the car with. So again, charging cap will be on your left, right here. Check it out. AC, DC. Close that. Closes back. You can close it from the inside as well. So with the lights turned off, you will notice there's no orange lighting anywhere around it. Got some chrome finishing right here. And you got some gloss black rear diffuser. You can have this in full carbon fiber as well. It's another option to add. Opening for the air to flow on the outside right here, left side right there. And let's take a look at the rear. So amazing storage space that you can keep some stuff. You got a place where you can charge, up, down. The rear seats, the previous video where you had 4-seaters, so you can't really fold down the seats, but in this case you can. I'll show it to you in a while. Check out the storage space, extra space right here where you keep some stuff. Boot space, huge, nice to keep golf bags also if you wish to. It's convenient enough to do so. Now there is something that you can cover your shade, use the shade to cover so nothing is exposed to the boot, no one can see it once the glass rear boot is closed. Let's close that back. Got some speakers over there, speakers over there. Now this case comes with 15 speakers because it's a 5-seater, not a 4-seater. Oh, but wait a minute, we gotta show you how the rear seats fall down. So let's head down to the back right here. Now you can open up the seats from this side. Just push it down all the way. Check it out, folds completely right down. Now this you can remove if you wish to, so that you have a bigger space without that bar in the center. But let me just show it to you guys with the bar there. Let's close it back down right here. So space is awesome, super convenient and nice. You can remove this if you wish to, so it have bigger room and space where you can keep a much more bigger item. Check it out from the rear with all the seats folded down. Now this is a 5-seater configuration, so it's much more easier and nicer compared to the 4. If you're talking about practicality wise, this is really good. So now let's push the seats right back up. So yep, right there, center right here. Before that, seat belt is whatever it is, actually hidden right back here. Cool. Let's do the same towards the other side. Close the doors. push this back up. For that, remove the seat belts. Okay, cool. So now let's take a look at the front side again here. 15 speakers, so the speakers are located right here, right down there. You got some over the back side here, which I'll show you to you in a while more. Now these are the comfort seats that you can actually have on the car. So massaging seats are available. As long as your seat design is having these two lines right here on the headrest, that means this seat has massage seat functions. Now the partitions in terms of the interior, you got black, you got some orange right here. So the Carnelian interior is what this is called. Very fine looking interior design. Storage compartment right here in the center, you can keep some stuff. Close that back down, cup holders, push it back down, and then you can there's a button on the inside where you can press it. Oh, sorry, goes back right up. Same thing over here, press it again, goes back right up. Cards you can put here, your NFC card where your car can actually be driving off with the car key card parked right here, or the key fob can be anywhere in the car where you can just leave it and your car will be able to have the gear engaged. Now let's move down to the rear part of the car. You'll notice different materials here and here. It is nice to have that two-tone finish. You can be here to experience it yourself to get it feeling of it. Check it out, orange interior. Let's fold that piece right down. Very nice indeed. Got some stuff over there where you can keep. These ones can recline the seats if you wish to. Check it out. It's fully down, and then you can choose to bring it back up. Can you see it moving? Yep, it's moving because I'm using this to control the seat movement right there. So now let's check out the driver's side, and then let's turn on the lights for you guys to see how it looks like. The front lights are actually turned off right now, but you can have it turned on in a while more. Let's move down to the side here. Inside. So driver's seat, you get this two-tone steering wheel, center partition for your steering wheel, the TDC marker they call it, top dead center, and you have your driving modes where you can adjust your right side right here. Same thing again, it changes over there, the steering wheel if you notice right here. So range mode and all of it gives you information over here and here. Regen braking over here is for your car to use the electric motor to brake by itself. Let me show you on this side, so you can choose to do it. You have your drive, reverse, P, hazard light parked right here as well. You got some place earlier I mentioned for you to charge your phone if you wish to. Settings, you can choose to adjust all sorts of settings, from the vehicle settings all the way down to the lights, drive mode, safety, sound and whatnot. So 15 speakers for this particular unit because it's a 5-seater. Now again, your lights are not turned on at the moment, so it shows you that your lights are actually off. But let's flash the lights to see how it appears here. So flashing lights are actually here. We do that. Check that out. Yeah, so it shows you what's actually happening. And the brakes, right now if I were to press the brakes, lights up also as well. Let go of the brakes, goes off. So now let's turn on the lights to show you guys how it actually looks like. So let's do that one turn. Check it out. So the lights turn on together with the daytime running lights as well as the brake lights. So before we turn on the hazard light, let's show you how the lights look like first. So now we are with the daytime running lights on together with the main headlights at the bottom, right? So you have got two daytime running lights for this black unit that we are having a look at right here. So this is how the car would look like with the lights, all the lights turned on. Very, very sleek. I would love to see this black unit wrapped in a matte black. That will make the car look absolutely stunning. So again, the rear, imagine this car is in a full matte black. It's like a real Batmobile to me. The brake lights right here all the way, fantastic. Now let's move with the hazard lights turned on. Cool. Hazard lights, let's turn it right here. Now let's check out. You have your side mirrors giving you the indicator as well. Now, earlier you had two daytime running lights. Right now, only one. Top one is the daytime running light. The bottom one turns into your indicator. Now, with the hazard lights turned on, this is how beautiful the car will look. Again, it's very, very stunning looking piece of art. Check out the rear. With both hazard lights turned on, the hazard light turned on, both signals and indicators actually will notify you in this way. Very, very unique. I love the design, how it fades out from here. Just fades out, automatically just changes into this yellow turn indicator signal. So let's lower down the rear wing to show you guys how it actually looks. Let's go down to the center. Let's move down this, tap, and let's put it back down. Now the rear wing is lowered. This is how it actually looks. Very uniquely designed. Without the spoiler, makes it even more sleek actually. Nothing is uneven, but you can have it if you wish to. Very nice, very sleek looking piece of art. So yeah, now let's move this the rear wing into a one level up like this. So it goes up slightly higher, not as high as earlier. Beautiful. Check it out. Check that out. Now let's put it back up to another level, slightly higher up. One more level up, P2, right here. And let's take a look. So P2 is where it was earlier initially. You got another, flap right here for air to be more, directed in such a way that it holds the downforce much better compared to holding this huge piece. We have another piece to give you support right here. Super cool. Love this design. So guys, if you'd like to find out more and you would love to test drive how this car actually feels, there's only one place to go, which is at Lotus Cars Pavilion, Damansara. You may meet up with the sales representative over there, and they will be more than happy to assist you in showing you guys how this car actually drives. And before that, let's take out the front. Boom, boom. Compartment storage, where you can keep your cable right here. Very, very well kept and very clean. So lower that down. I'll close that in a while more, but yeah. So guys, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Okay man, so yeah, so Ganesha, if there's anything else that anyone needs, they'll come and look for you cool. To come and test drive the car. But yeah, cool, check out Ganesha's height and then the car. It looks really, really matches you well, man. So cool, he's gonna get right in. Awesome. I'm gonna join him right at the side here. Cool. Thanks man, dude.
Alright.
Yeah. So yeah, if you find out more, you can look for Ganesha at Lotus Cars Pavilion, Damansara Heights, and get a feel of any of their Lotus models they have on display, and whichever ride comes to your decision, and you can just inquire with them. You look for Ganesha. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.